What is up, guys? Here again with another episode of Among Us. And today we will play with some Jamaicans. 9 of us, not the thing. So I could go and see. I could go and see who I do what. Let's go. Let's go, man. Tika there. Me not just Tika. Me not just phone. Me not own. Me not like it. Okay, traffic there, so. Traffic there, so. I do my task. I do my task in admin. Try again. Thank you. Alright, cool. Wicked don't look for me. Wicked don't look for me. Wicked run. Everybody do them thing. What Taliban? Yeah, I stay with them in the dark. I stay with them. I follow Tropics. Tropic just went? Yes, she did. Oh, okay. So where she gone now then? Me not trust Tropics. Me not trust her. Me not trust her. I'm in Shield right now. I'm in Shield. I'm gonna do a task in Shield. Come for this now. What gonna say now? Alright, cool. I'm in Shield doing a task. Alright, cool. I'm in Shield doing a task. I'm gonna see Tropics vent. I got the light on Tropics, man. I'm in Shield doing a task. I'm gonna see Tropics vent. Just in Shield. Lower engine. Why not, my? I'm not just saying that. I'm from Saddam. Don't trust so? J Gamer. Upper engine. Tika. Med B. I was in Med B. Where was this body then?
It's it. Right with it. I'm here.
Not here, brother.
The admin.
Yeah, man. You see where oxygen something there?
Yeah.
Right after me complete the sabotage, I may move off my seat. So
Lower,
me no know.
yes, lower engine or security.
No, the sabotage. No, which room? Me not even know if a reactor room they get sabotage.
But did they in a reactor?
Over the
Reactor they get sabotage.
no, but me late we go fix the reactor and over there me I go and then me see the body. So I don't know if somebody sabotage it, kill him or move off. I don't know what to call it.
What one Taliban explain himself. Why he must stand right out a reactor?
Exactly. Why is he just standing out there in the open, not doing any task?
Yeah.
But me no know, me just find body.
I think it's Taliban.
I was in.
Don't be rash. Let me defend myself, please. Alright. Alright, me notice say all the things sabotage, and what me notice from playing this game, people always dead when them run go try fix the sabotage. So me say, alright, let me just wait until everybody come out, them go do the task. Let me tell you which task me go do. The one where you have to like you get this data code and you have to press in the highlight them. So every time the light
music task.
Press in.
So that music task in a reactor.
Right.
Wait, where was that task?
Yeah,
Right
where was
in-
that?
Right. Me thinking of the reactor room. As you go in there, the big box there, right? So we're highlighting and green.
Nah, I disagree.
Yeah, that highlight in the grave to get it out.
It it's very suspicious.
Yo, Taliban me a vote. Una vote.
Skip, yeah.
Oh, we're skipping.
On to no boy skip, brother. I think I trying to skip this one out of my youth.
We just need more proof. That's all.
Alright, cool. Definitely who? Taliban? Who said skip? Don't make I remember who said skip.
You need to mute.
Okay, I'm sorry. All right. Who that? Somebody just went. Yes. Yeah. That Davian, seen that? Him just vent. Him just vent front of me eye. Him just vent front of me eye. Me I stay away from him. Me I turn away from him. Cafeteria invent in a cafeteria. No yourself, Davian. Davian, me not trust you. Eh? Yeah, there is. See what I mean, sir? See Davian there again, you know. Let me see if I go vent. Where him gone? In there. I don't trust him, I don't trust Davian. I don't trust Davian, no time. Who this? Who this? Check him, go on where you go. I don't trust Davian, no time. That's complete, alright, go. So storage, done a task in storage, alright, cool. Done a task in storage, alright, cool. Done a task in storage, alright, cool. Alright, so yo, you're not catching me now. I'm going now. Go around and say quick. So I'm back in cafeteria now. I just done a task in storage. Yeah. Hospital there. Tika. Ah, dead body found. Okay. Where was this body then, people? Tika? You can just run past you, Tika, remember?
Alright, so the body was in.
Hey, people are dead though.
Eh?
The body was in the security area. So I found it.
Okay. Let me just put this out there.
We just passed JWG in the corridor.
Oh my god. Him always a try to put out people, you know. Him always a try to put out people.
But
hold on.
Me really not sure.
Hold on, man. Let me explain myself then. Tika, me just run past you. Me, I come from cafeteria. Me just do a task in a cafeteria a while ago.
Which task you just
I'm gonna tell you. You have to hold on the thing and pull it down and the trash them come out of it. That
garbage stuff.
That me just do.
JW.
Alright.
JW, but that wasn't in cafeteria.
No. Honestly, no.
Who just said that?
Me, I just done one in cafeteria and one in storage. I two tasks me doing the people.
There is one in cafeteria, but
me and David, they over to navigation side. So we didn't know where you're
and I was literally
Chopic's name, but
Chopic's, which way you did there?
Me and Dave and in a navigation side. Over navigation side.
Just see, Mama, can't hear you.
Because I literally just pressed my tab a while ago go search for the hospital there, for head to the hospital, and then Mr. T car run 90 miles per hour.
Well, skip then, because nobody know.
J Gamer.
Where were you though, J Gamer?
I was running to upper engine where I saw JWG.
No, bro, no. I was not in. I was not in upper engine. No time.
Med bay. You were near med bay.
Jeez, and the boy a light in the sucker donkey eye. My youth, I was.
You were running to cafeteria.
What?
I never get forward.
No, I don't know.
I don't have any tasks left, so.
It was done. Just finish task. Everybody just finish the task.
Yeah, alright then. No one was rejected. Yo, I don't trust. See, Tropics around back. I'm not trust Tropics to the cutlass in the already, no. Where the task in there? It's a use. What is now? Okay, admin cat. Alright. Them two are in a security. Med B. Who in a storage? Cafeteria. Where's in cafeteria now? Them? Who is in cafeteria? Who is in cafeteria then? No, man. There was someone else there, man. Defeated. Me know say that boy, you know. Me know say him, you know. You me see him venting, you know. Me see that you event, you know.
Feature that too much. That's why I ask which part them there.
You see?
Yeah.
Yeah, me see that you event, you know, dog. Me see
We
that you
never
event.
been but the best combo you can get.
Me see your event, my youth. It's alright. So I don't want to live.
You see it? The one topic stuff right now. So me not in a reactor to do it talk. And she want to kill me. I'll see you place.
Yo, me the trucks. Yo, anytime I see tropics, me run the other way. Come now, she come nowhere close.
Yeah,
Me,
I
cause she
will kill a
wicked.
security. Kill a big.
Yeah, man. Yeah, my brain is still got space.
Oh, kill a big. They look on security camera. I'm boss off him and I left him over there.
I'm done all
Yo, one more smarty giant.
What is going on?
I need black. I would say I need black.
Raul.
Raul needs cement, man, but black. Ready?
We are one wicked now, giant.
Him left.
You get kicked. You see left one get kicked.
What we are do? Start it or what?
Yeah, start.
Ready?
Yo, because I don't get the hang of the game yet, you know, dog. That's why I can't really to explain myself too good and not try to tie me up like rope in a dog. Is that right?
Yeah.
Right beside me.
Me not gonna kill him too. Yeah.
When you're imposter, say shh, so you
While it's not muted.
Yeah.
Okay. What am I say? In reply it? So people, we're still in the game. I need to be imposter. I need to be imposter really bad. So
Me not get a minute, so just start
let's see
up.
what going on. Alright, let's go. Alright, ready?
Yeah, man.
Alright, cool. Okay. Alright. Okay. After the barber come, we will cut the ear and the thing there. And you go beard, yeah? All this straight, all this killer bigs. Not just killer bigs, you know. Yeah, do toss with killer bigs. I do toss with killer bigs. Try again. Try again. Ah!
Oh, why is he not reporting? He needs to see your body down.
No, killer bigs kill me, man. I run gun, man. Killer bigs kill me and cut. I'm gonna report somebody now. Killer bigs kill me and cut, brother. Report this. Report this. Report this. Report it. Report it. Report it. Report it. Report it. Report it. Killer bigs kill me and cut. Me killer bigs.
I must take her, man, because she up on the reactor and she not put her hand on the something until somebody else finally come in the room now. Then it finally stop. Atika. Yeah, Atika for sure.
It's not me.
It's you. Why were you standing there?
Hold on, let me explain myself. I was there waiting. It says waiting for the second use. Somebody else come and I guess them put on them hand and that's why I couldn't put on mine.
I came up there first and watched you there and then I say, okay, let me check the bottom one to see if somebody up on the bottom one. Nobody was there. Nobody was there. Someone just put the. Yeah, I hear you.
I'm saying I was close by because I was supposed to start the reactor as a task. I was already there. I went, my hand on it, it says waiting for second user. Somebody else, me click off, somebody else come, yes, them put on them hand and that's why I couldn't put down mine again. That's my explanation. You guys can believe me if you want to.
Who no vote one? Skip or no vote with Tika?
Yo, killer bigs.
Okay, good.
Maybe Tika new to the game, so.
And no, she ain't, and she's very good too.
Alright.
Killer Bigs, man. Then kill me. Dirty Killer Bigs. Dirty Killer Big. Dirty Killer Bigs. A dirty Killer Big. Dirty Killer Bigs. What do me toss them? See me, yeah. I'm dead already. Killer Bigs. Anyway, Killer Bigs, I'm gonna follow him now. I'm there. Well, I'm gonna do the task and follow him drunkenness. Killer Bigs there. Killer Bigs there. Killer Bigs are gonna kill somebody else. 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 Watching, I follow him. I follow him nastiness. I follow him nastiness. Me dope your aunt yo. Dope your aunt yo killer. Me dope your go aunt yo Killer Bigs. Me dope your aunt yo drunk ro. Yes, me dope your aunt yo goated. Me dope your aunt yo. Anyway you go, me dope your go aunt yo boy. Yes.
Where was it?
Body in navigation.
Navigation. You didn't see anybody?
No.
Oh boy. The last person I see was Killer Bigs.
Vote him out. Don't vote out Killer Bigs.
Alright. Mr. Tita kill Davian.
Bobby, oh yeah, I was a throw them wild accusation here.
Hey, what?
Mr. Killer Bigs. Mr. Yeah man, free, Lashi. Atika free.
Killer
But
Bigs.
sweet. Oh, we're gonna believe it. We can't believe just wild accusation.
No, I.
Taliban.
said they saw me?
Taliban.
Taliban, then it's you. Because I've been in the reactor room. Where were you?
Then I look on the numbers them.
Bobby.
Exactly. So how you
I
going
didn't
to
look on the
suspect
numbers.
me when I've been one place?
Because Mr. Davian thing disappear in the room where you there.
What?
Yeah,
Okay, we're gonna move it to
But
No.
Davian body was in navigation.
So Killer Bigs
no,
not
way
talk.
across the place. Listen to me. You're trying to set me up. I don't like that.
Who
Alright.
you vote for? Who you vote for, Jake?
I just skipped because this is confusing.
Me vote for Tika because the way Taliban explain it, it sounds like say
Jeez, I'm gonna vote out
it's a
Killer.
real thing.
Really?
But the body was in navigation. Tika said she would have as in
Tika 20 here. Tika.
No,
Bobby,
me
you're
can't
dead.
get to do me one little task.
Dead, Bobby.
This man.
I'm for that. I'm Killer Bigs. I'm follow Killer Bigs. My auntie with me dopey. My aunt Killer Bigs with me dopey. My auntie with me dopey. My auntie junk. My auntie with my dopey here. My auntie with my dopey. Come kill me. My auntie, I don't care who else are the thing. My aunt you. You a get aunt. You a get aunt boy. My aunt you. Me dopey aunt him.
Hello. Then when the game done, some can join back, please. Thank you.
Aunt him me dopey man. Aunt him. Auntie, my Killer Bigs, you know.
Oh my goodness.
Yo, no sister, me I use my dopey and aunt Killer Bigs all along with Killer Bigs kill me. Killer Bigs kill me.
Yeah, you know, so me go stop here with you know.
Yo, me I use my dopey and aunt Killer Bigs. Anyway, I'm going to the back of him because once somebody said the dopey aunt the boy, you know.
We can't see the dopey.
Oh, no, can't see
So
dopey.
who was the brown person that just died?
Taliban.
The brown person.
Taliban.
You know, so me just buck up and I think it was Killer Bigs when him just kill you, but by them time them done with the game. We just the brown body.
But you see, you know, fight against one another and
Exactly,
Killer them just sit down and laugh off, you know.
Exactly.
That me not like with Killer Bigs. Him kill me and quiet about it. Him kill me and quiet about it.
Clear to the world, them kill you.
So you
in a-
feel it don't pick up and say, what do man walk like saying week or so? Oh, go on.
So people I'm gonna play one more game and then I'm gonna end this and this video. Alright.
About J games because we're going on the communication room and only one task and the task each up in a corner. This is where the people in the back near to the computer they meant to wait. No one task I to say they and as me I go put into
Yo, Dutchman, I said put the kill count down 20 seconds.
No, that's too far.
No, we're dead quick.
Yeah, that's a good too.
Alright, ready again? Wait, what's that? Ready again?
Whoa. Yeah. Ready.
Somebody say something in the chat? Put it back. No. Alright, Raul, you need to get a mic, dog.
Leave.
Oh, I'm leave. Okay. Alright, let's go.
We go without him?
Oh. A 7 person there now.
Yep.
Let's go. Alright. People, me a imposter. Me a imposter. I'm an imposter. Who this? Dave, no Dave and there, so. I trust the boy, you know. Let me look on my tab and see what I go on. Taliban did this, so I go murder somebody, you know. I'm in a meds bay, you know. Dead body reported. Yo, me just find one. Me just find one the dead body, but me don't know how to explain which part it there, honestly. I don't know. Me can't see nothing right now apart from the chat front of me.
Alright, when you leave the table a while ago, which direction you run go to? Down, to the right, or to the left?
I went down and then I went to the left.
All the way down?
Close to communication.
I went down. I went about halfway down and then I straight after the left.
Okay.
In one room.
Yeah, that's electrical.
Yeah, I see.
You didn't see anybody?
No, I didn't. I never.
Well, I guess that's it. Me and Taliban, they're not admin. Yeah. Anybody can talk about anybody else or them?
I'm still in cafeteria.
With?
No one.
Yeah. Who said that a while ago? Who just said that?
Gamer.
Okay, yes. I did run past it in a cafeteria for real because I left in there. Killer Biggs, which way you did it?
Navigation, but they don't know them.
You do what?
Don't know them, the navigation.
Anybody did see him?
Nobody never did the navigation. Davian, which part you did it?
I don't know how to tell you what me did there. Really, because the room right below cafeteria, I go down there, so I go find another task and then me see body report. So me never really look at me there.
Yeah.
Wait, Davian, which task you do so far then?
I do one task, which is to swipe the card. Something. Me and Tika did I do it too, and some other people did in the room at the time. All away. And then I leave, done the task, they go do something else.
And Taliban, which way did they?
Then admin with you.
With
yeah,
who?
me and him there together. With me, with Tropics.
Okay.
Only can know which room in it. Just look on the name we come
up
at the bottom of the...
But we have to skip this?
Just skip.
Yeah, skip.
Just skip.
Alright, cool.
The name of the room there at the bottom. So just
Alright.
look on that when you're going to one room.
Alright, cool. Taliban kill a man a while ago. Taliban bust a boy head a while ago. Taliban there, sir. The Tropics and Davian, sir. Alright, cool. We're gonna sir. Talk to yourself, though. Up tab. Okay, so.
You need for mute.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Alright. I'm sorry. I can't live without you. Yeah, man, boss my daily say. Oh, this traffics. All the traffics and boss already now. Chashi there. Chashi gone now. Whatever. J gamer. Boss J game. Boss already. Boss already there. Boss already there. Boss already there. Which family there now? Which family there? 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 I'm in weapons room. I'm in weapons room looking for a task. There's nothing. There's no task in here. Okay. Okay. What's going on?
Yo, I'm find one body.
Which part?
Where?
After you leave admin, I go straight out. My storage.
Well, I just run past. I think I run past Tropics in a weapons room. Was it you, Tropics? Me run past a while ago.
Yeah.
David, I come
Hmm?
Me and what?
Traffic sound. White. It's like a blue color and white color from one direction.
Tropics and
you know me there in an electrical room. I come from Shields. I go in an electrical room.
What the person that said a while ago? Tropics and one blue color. I come from that direction.
No. Light.
Me, white.
Oh, okay. Because me just run past Tropics in a. I think a weapons room. It was Tropics, right? Yeah.
Somewhere close to there, so.
Yeah.
So if me I come from Shields, I come going electrical. So me no think say me the over the side.
And where was the body?
Same to me over there. So and
where was the body again?
Storage. Taliban, where were you? No. Taliban, you come like. Taliban, where were you?
Taliban did that.
Taliban, you need for their task, and when you're not doing a task. you just did a one. Alright.
So Killer Biggs, which way you that come from? Eh?
JWG.
Yeah.
When we feel in a lower engine room close to electrical, which way did you go after that?
No, I was heading up towards the cafeteria if I look for a task for the up so. But I never see none. And then I see the thing flash up on my screen.
But how you reach back over to navigation so quick? Can
No.
you run past you and go up to
I
The man never same there navigation.
I was heading up. I was going up towards cafeteria. I was trying to get to cafeteria.
It seems very suspicious because you run over there so fast. You're faster than me.
But if me kill me, I kill you, you know. You know enough time I kill me, you know. If me kill me, kill you, you know.
You run past me, and then you stop like you think for come for me.
For what? Why would I?
It's alright.
It's alright. It's alright.
Throw it out there, man. Throw it out there. Say.
It's alright. Throw it out there. No worry yourself. It's alright, man. No worry yourself. You. So people, me get away with that one day. By the kin of me teeth. Alright, my roll with Taliban now. Cause it's away a killer. The Taliban there. The Taliban gone. I kill Tropics, you know. I kill dirty Tropics. Watch me now. My boss has throat to chat too much. I try this thing. I them the security. Upper engine this. Which one this? Oh this. Tropics, yeah. The Tropics, yeah. Okay, alright, this is our med beer. Gonna med beer. I wanna kill the Tropics in our wish there. I wanna kill the Tropics. I wanna kill the Tropics. Where she there? Alright, which family there now? Which family there? Yo, Traffic.
I've been no.
Me never vent.
Taliban killed Tropics a while ago, you know. Cause
yes.
Taliban, me I follow you.
Me say.
And he killed
You know,
me.
Taliban could have killed me whole long.
Miss-
Taliban,
Exactly. Me and
Miss-
him did for long.
Miss say. After that speech where Tropics make me say, yo, anyway she them I go and bust her throat. But me never
Yeah, but just me never know.
but that's how you always get to
David,
turn up suspicion. That's why them always like you first.
Yo, J Game, I sorry dog, me have to kill this a while ago. You alone me see this, so me have to bust your throat. So,
Yes,
Yo, my boss. Traffic so I get you. So me just say, you know what? Let me go kill her.
yeah.
That's
What
so cruel.
JWG, I never do it.
Yo, black
I
out.
know, sir.
Yo, black out my
That's
color.
Uh,
All right,
hey,
we have 8 people now. What we are doing?
Yeah, we can go
Yeah,
because
guys. I'm gonna kill the
um
like that. But you know what? Make him go.
yeah, me would. We're
Alright.
gonna just run it because Wicked same gun on the road for a little bit.
All right, 1 second. So guys, there I was an imposter and me deal it when me deal it and me kill a boy and me get rid of it and me win a game. So if you like the video, please leave a like on this video and I will see you guys in the next one. All right, peace.